Is your device now locked by FRP? Do you know what Frp Lock is exactly? No worries. In this video, I'll show you what Frp Lock is and how to remove it without knowing the Google email ID and password. If your Android device is running on Android 5.1, Lollipop, or later, it has the Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This feature was introduced to protect personal data. If someone snatches your Android device, the FRP will make it impossible for him or her to erase all your data. To factory reset the device, he or she has to know the Google email ID used on your device and its password. While Google Account Lock is a beautiful security feature for Android devices, it poses a huge problem for those that cannot remember their Google account password, or those that bought a secondhand device from some platforms like eBay, as the previous owner's account is still associated with their device. You may have searched on Google for how to remove the FRP lock, or viewed a ton of related videos on YouTube. The embarrassing facts are: 1. The FRP unlocking needs to correspond to different brands and models, and there are so many Android brands and so many models under each brand, this is a huge inconvenience when trying to unlock it. And 2. When operating, you'll always encounter inconsistencies with the tutorial, because the unlocking method is always being updated. The tutorials uploaded several months ago may not be working anymore. Take Samsung, for example. There are more than 100 models that don't even include the tablets, which can also be locked by FRP. There are also brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, Huawei, Vivo, Nokia, LG, Motorola, and Lenovo. Besides, to protect information, Google is constantly upgrading the security of the FRP lock, which again causes unlocking methods to update frequently. What if I told you that there's a software that can effectively solve your problem and save you time? A much better alternative that you can use is iMyFone, Lock Wiper Android. Let me go through the steps that you'll take. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone Lock Wiper Android on your computer. Now select Remove Google Lock FRP from the first screen as your unlocking mode. Step 2. Click Start and connect your device via a USB cable. Select your device information by correcting the device name if it's not correctly detected. Then click Next. Step 3. Select your device PDA or input it manually. Select the right country and carrier, and then click Download to continue. Step 4. Prepare to download the data package. After that, extract the package and put your device into downloading mode. Step 5. Enter 000000 to confirm installation of the data package. Step 6. Follow the guide to reset your device again. Lock Wiper Android will show you the correct way to reset according to the brand and model of your device. Download the firmware package for your device and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Step 7. Click Start to extract. It will bypass the Google account lock on your device. Step 8. It has now bypassed the Google account lock on your Android device successfully. No more wasting time, no more wasting effort. You can just follow the steps on the program to unlock the FRP lock. Lock Wiper Android supports almost all Samsung devices. You can try the free trial version to check first if your device is on the list. I'll leave a link in the description. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.